In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under equilibrium level of national income. So we're going to focus on the subtopic investment function. So we have two repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the term investment in microeconomics means we have option A, profit; option B, total amounts of money invested in bonds and stocks; option C, the total amount of capital goods in the country; option D, the production of goods for immediate consumption. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is the production of goods for immediate consumption. Okay, so that's what the term investment means in microeconomics. Next question is this one, which is the last question. It says the expenditure of a firm on goods and services for the expansion of its productive capacity is known as, we have option A, savings; income; investment; profit. The right answer is option C, which is investment. So very important. This is basically I can do problems under the subtopic investment function in economic levels of national in equilibrium levels of national income. So we practice with two of the questions in this video. Let's call it the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment in this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button, where you'll be getting people information that help you to excel in your SNE exam, like JAMB and other SNE exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above. Now I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.